Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kate. Today we're going to cook 葱油拌面. 葱油拌面 Scallion oil noodles. Let's just get started. 首先，我们需要准备面条 noodles, 青葱 scallion, 蒜 garlic, 油 oil, 老抽 dark soy sauce, 生抽 light soy sauce, 白糖 white sugar. 第一步，烧水煮面条。第一步，烧水煮面条。First step, boil the noodles. 第二步，将面条捞出，放入凉水中。第二步，将面条捞出，放入凉水中。Second step, take out the noodles and dip them into cold water. 第三步，热锅烧油，放入青葱和蒜。第三步，热锅烧油，放入青葱和蒜。Third step, heat the pan with oil and add scallion and garlic. 第四步，将青葱和蒜捞出。第四步，将青葱和蒜捞出。Fourth step, take out the scallion and garlic. 第五步，制作酱料。第五步，制作酱料。Fifth step, make the sauce. 我们需要加入5勺生抽。2勺老抽和1勺白糖，我们需要加入5勺生抽、2勺老抽和1勺白糖。We need to add 5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. 第六步，把酱料放入锅中，大约10秒，然后捞出。Sixth step, put the sauce into a heated pan for 10 seconds and then take it out. 这就是制作好的酱料、葱和蒜。第七步，将面条从凉水中捞出，然后加入酱料、葱和蒜。第七步，将面条从凉水中捞出，然后加入酱料、葱和蒜。Seventh step, take out the noodles from the cold water and add the sauce, scallion, and garlic. 第八步，搅拌一下就可以吃啦。第八步，搅拌一下就可以吃啦。Eighth step, stir them and then we could eat. 如果你第一次学做中国菜，你可以试试葱油拌面。如果你第一次学做中国菜，你可以试试葱油拌面。If it is your first time to cook Chinese dish, you could try scallion oil noodles. 因为葱油拌面是最简单的中国菜之一。因为葱油拌面是最简单的中国菜之一。Because scallion oil noodles is one of the simplest Chinese dish. is today's Chinese class. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to learn more Chinese food, please leave a comment to let me know. See you next time. Bye bye.